It's angler time. Delbert Teague here. Welcome back to Childarsburg Anglers. Nighttime bass fishing. Finally, you guys, I'm doing some nighttime fishing out here in the kayak. I'm trying to show y'all the light and everything best as possible. Let me put my headlamp on, y'all, so I can see what's going on around me. It's nighttime fishing a little different, y'all. It can be fun, but it's dangerous. I'm trying to take y'all along, y'all. Whoa, let's go backwards. Let's go backwards. That ain't gonna work. Yo, the water's low. It's that chocolate milk color right now. I got the live light rolling, y'all, and I've got the headlight going, y'all. I've only been in the kayak one time at nighttime, y'all. And we did get some rain, but I don't understand why where I put it in at is so shallow. I was literally walking in the mud, y'all, to get in the kayak. But I'm out here, y'all. Kobe Bryant say the day start at 4 o'clock. I'm a little bit early. I see fish jumping out here, y'all. It is creatures out here. Look like I need to be cast up in this area. But y'all, I really can't see what I'm doing out here. And it's really close quarters fishing. I see the ripples in the water. Let me know it's fish out here, y'all, cause I'm not really putting the gas pedal on the kayak for real. I know y'all can hear like a little water and everything, y'all, but we out here with the Davis Buzz. Shout out to everybody watching. But y'all, I'm out here for the creek. You know what I'm saying? Anything you do, y'all, you're gonna have haters. You're gonna have people hating on you, y'all, because they ain't put in the work, y'all. They ain't willing to do what you gonna do, but yet they want to be champion. You can't be no champion if you scared. You can't be no champion if you ain't willing to do what the champion ain't doing. Y'all, I'm out here on the Hassie. Shoot, y'all see the light, but it's dark, y'all. I can see like the outlay of the trees and everything. I can't really tell y'all what the water doing. But what I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm gonna try to give it my all, y'all, and do my best tonight kayak fishing. My phone battery is at 80-some%. My headlamp is fully charged. We're gonna try to make the most of it, y'all. Y'all, I've been wanting to get out here. You gotta make yourself do certain stuff, y'all. I ain't lying. And y'all, the water right now, chocolate milk. I got these Davis baits with me and everything. I don't know, you guys. I got my Apple Garcia Black Max X3. I want to come out here and do some fishing, y'all, at nighttime. Because y'all, here go the key. You got the water all to yourself. You got the water all to yourself. Folks in the house sleep, y'all. I'd rather be out here trying to put their practice in, put this time up in out here on this water, y'all. There's plenty nomos beings out here, y'all. Nomos is an ancient word for anything to come out of the water, y'all. Y'all follow me, y'all know I'm spiritual and everything. Yeah, the damn water level done went down a lot. That is crazy. So I don't know what these bass said, but I'm finna go to where I think they is. But yeah, it's all about the time you put in out here, y'all. Gotta have a good headlamp, y'all, nighttime fishing. I do not have a life jacket or nothing on, y'all. What I really want to do, I'm on the Tallahassee Creek, y'all. What I really want to do is go to the damn main river. But while this water down, y'all, it give me a chance to observe and see what I don't see. You know what I'm saying? Everything help you guys. And from what I've been taught, y'all, these bass, I don't know about at nighttime. I know it's a different group that feed up, y'all, from what I've been taught than the ones I've been catching. I'm looking at y'all, I'm looking at the bank, man, for real. Let me try to slow it down. Yeah, this water really like it ain't flowing for real. We did get some rain twice today, y'all. And the water level was low on my last slide, me putting back in. But you need to be observing the structure so you can see what it look like with the water down. Right now, y'all, I'm just looking, cause I'm looking up on all these overhanging trees and stuff, y'all. Right now, I'm finna go in this spawning bay, y'all. Been following me. Cause I ain't lying, y'all. I really believe. Yeah, a little bit more of that stump sticking out the water. Y'all, if I get stuck, I'm gonna have to turn around up in here. But yeah, it's low. We already got a bird right here. Yeah, I'm touching bottom. This ain't gonna work. Damn. I didn't know this shit had got that shallow, y'all. I got a bag out of this location. I'll tell y'all what, I necessarily ain't got a bag off in it, but I gotta be to where this kayak ain't touching the bottom. Y'all, you out here, it's a full moon. I'm not too savvy on lake, y'all, in the moon phases. Some people tell you fish the new moon. Some people tell you to fish the full moon. Shit, y'all, it's just what I consider another reason why I'm out here. when y'all hear splash, something hit it. Y'all, the buzz bait is a bait you gotta keep on the surface yourself. It's got a screech to it, y'all. You got people dogs up barking and shit. I appreciate everybody watching me tonight, y'all. It really means a lot to me. But I'm trying to use my headlamp to find the buzz bait, y'all. I can't see it. I can hear it doing its thing, y'all, but I can't see it. So we throwing black and it's dark. I've heard dark colors are good at nighttime. Y'all know I've been putting a massacre on these fish with this Davis buzz during the daytime. But yeah, y'all, so what I try to do in these situations, y'all, is I try to start reeling before the buzz bait even hits the water, y'all. You know, if I strike out, I ain't got nothing to lose. I should feel bad. It's dark. I got flies fucking with me. Oh, okay. Y'all, I done turn the headlamp off, y'all. You know, I ain't gonna lie, I think I need to go to a spawning bay, but that first one I went to was a little low. There's water. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna make my way on down the creek. Yeah. Whatever on the back of the bad boy, y'all are going for a ride. I ain't lying, y'all are going for a ride. I ain't trying to go towards the bank. I'm trying to stay in the middle so I can cast to both sides of the bank. Let me see if I can navigate with this off. Cause they say, y'all ain't gonna lie, there's some crazy stuff y'all might think, but they say certain people eyes can adjust to the dark. I know, like, when it comes to fishing, your depth perception and all that is off. But you guys, I'm using zero lights right now. I can kind of see the edge and everything. I got some light behind me. Y'all can kind of see me and everything, y'all. Y'all, the hard thing about it, man, is right now when it comes to you using, I don't care if it's a bait caster, I don't care if you got 100 years using a spinning reel, y'all, you can't see, so your what they call depth perception, it's off. It's like you can't really judge how far like the bank is. Like if I'm throwing towards the bank and I'm trying to bring it back to me, your eyes can't really gauge the distance is what they trying to say, y'all. And from my experience, I ain't gonna say in the kayak, but just going to Hollywood so many times, y'all, I probably lost more fishing lures, y'all, doing nighttime fishing than I have fishing in the daytime. what this is. Cause this fucking damn locust done landed on my phone, y'all. Let me show y'all the water. I know y'all ain't trying to see me. But y'all can't really like actually see the water, man, like that. But I'm trying to show y'all best way I can, y'all. Be getting this footage out here. And, y'all make no doubt about it, my phone light is on. Y'all see that dimming? That's me turning the That's me turning the headlight out, y'all. But y'all, you can't be scared to be out here at nighttime, man. People be missing out on life, man. But yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know I've been on what we call fishing spree out here, y'all. And, this next little spot, y'all, is the spot I want to go to. And the only thing I'm worried about out here, y'all, is what I can't see. But as y'all can see, that's the bridge that'll take you to like Calmay, Keeler Heights, stuff like that. Look at 76, I think. 76 take you 21. If anybody know the roads in this area, y'all let me know if I'm correct. But yeah, y'all, we probably gonna slow down right here because I'm on the point. And most of our teachers, y'all, they talk about trying to find a pattern. Y'all like to witness me try to find one at nighttime. If a fish bite here, I know to look at points. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, the coolest thing about what I'm doing, all I need is one bite. We got logs over here, y'all. Y'all let me know if y'all out here splash. Me and Ryan Strickland were headed to Grove Park, y'all, and right here, the water is chocolate milk, y'all, but right in here I seen the difference. And we got old bait fish moving, y'all. Let's see. Y'all, it's a bunch of dang y'all, I'm gonna try to. Okay, y'all, my buzz bait's at the bottom. I done dang overran. But y'all, it's peaceful out here. I wish I could like show y'all the moon and stuff. I ain't trying to move my phone. Well, let's see if this thing got any muck on it. Yeah, it does. So Davis buzz, y'all. Make sure that grass is off of it, y'all. I'm just showing y'all, you know. When it rained, y'all, I'm gonna be real. This place was real trashy the last time I caught a fish out here. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Throw this bad boy around wood, whatever you see. Y'all hear that? There's something out here. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Don't let nobody tell you that, nighttime fishing won't scare you. It will, you guys. The reason I know, because you will hear stuff out here. Where I'm at, y'all, is pretty shallow. You know, I don't know if this is crappie or what around me, but it ain't. These blow-ups ain't sounding like no bass blow-ups. We're gonna cast on. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. If a bass does bite this, is probably gonna startle me. Cause I don't care what nobody tell y'all. You don't know you're gonna get bit till you get bit. Y'all, where these damn bass at, y'all? Alright, we finna roll. I'm limited on power, y'all. I can't be bullshitting out here. They say 30 minutes in the area. I'm finna keep it moving from right here. Y'all, I don't like fishing no chocolate milk, y'all. And I know this water is, way shallow. The kayak pedal touching the bottom, y'all. Kayak getting nasty. But what y'all think? Y'all think they out here in this open water or what? There's a fish that just went over right there. Y'all, it's a little dark. I got my headlamp off and everything, y'all. It's pretty much open water right here. And I can see. And y'all, another reason I'm out here tonight, y'all, is I got insomnia. And some nights I can't sleep. Let me show y'all something. In front of me, y'all, it's dark. We still got the old headlamp going, y'all. Anybody want to tune in? We at 62%. This ain't where I want to go. Y'all, I'm finna get off here because ain't nothing really happening out here tonight. We just had a storm and everything, y'all. These fish ain't on tonight.